Hello traders, the title of the video is Elliott with a technical analyst reveals how to handle a messy Elliott wave price structure. Alright, without talking too much, alright, I want traders to check the video that I titled How to Deal with Elliott wave violation with a cool head. Check it out at 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. Digit 2, digit 4, Elliott Waves, okay, YouTube channel. The title of the video, one more time, is How to Deal with Elliott wave violation with a cool head. In that video, right, I was analyzing, if my recollection is spot on, Procter and Gamble. Let's see what is that. That's the one. And we have that's the reason why I want you to watch that video so you may understand what I'm trying to discuss again in this to show you similar to what I've discussed with this okay, Procter and Gamble, okay. Talking about how to deal with Elliott wave violation with a cool head. Now, I also recorded a video that I titled a few months ago, How to Improve Elliott wave count by Admiring the Price Action. You remember that video? Check it out. Now, so when I'm using words like admiring the chart, sometimes they think that it's just to make them smile a bit, which is true, but there are more to that. So what we can do is that if somebody is very interested in using Elliott wave, all right, they say, I'm very keen to use the Elliott wave, I'm very enthusiastic, I want to learn it, please show me, please coach me. You know what you do? Very simple. You bring out, you pull out a chart like this, all right, and you let that person sit in front of the chart for 30 minutes, not 1 hour, 30 minutes, and tell him that sit down. I don't want you to turn your head to the left or to the right. I want you to keep staring on that chart continuously for 30 minutes. Now, and then you step back, all right? If the person could not handle that, or the person is getting angry just because you say that he or she should sit down and admire a chart for 30 minutes, you know that that person cannot handle the pressure of Elliott wave trading. Now, you may disagree with what I said now, but that's my view. So you may wonder why I'm saying all this blah 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 or that nonsense, all right? The reason is, whenever you want to count wave, there is one stage that a lot of traders are missing. That first stage can save you a lot of time, you see. As I'm looking at this chart, I spend 2 minutes or 3 minutes just admiring the chart. Now, what we are doing is that when you sit down like this, and you don't start labeling anything, you're just looking at the chart. You're just looking at it, all right? It's like the price is communicating. How do you communicate with somebody, all right? You look at the person, yes or no. You look at the person face to face. We can do the same thing with the price. So you just sit down, you don't say anything, you don't do anything. You're just looking at the chart. And you'll be amazed how much information, okay, how much clear understanding you have about the chart. This is exactly what is happening here. And that's why I'm recording this video now to tell you about Elliott wave technical analysis, reveal how to handle messy Elliott wave structure. As soon as I pull out this chart, I see the similarity between this chart and the one in Procter and Gamble. This is Procter and Gamble. You can see the similarity almost. As soon as I look at okay, the one we are looking at now is the United Technology Group. As soon as I pull it out, I admire in the chart. I know that I'm dealing with the same beast like Procter and Gamble, similar characteristic, and I'm not going to waste my time, okay, try to figure out what is the first, the third, and the fifth way. It is a messy chart. So one way to quickly handle messy chart, the first 2 or 3 minutes, admire the chart first. You'll be amazed. If you train yourself, you will improve, and you can spot things quickly, and you will start, reducing the waste of time. So now that I'm telling you all the story, I know straight away that all I need to do is just draw a line like this, and draw another one like this, all right? That's it. And my wave count is finished. That's it. That's my wave count there. All right? I can push it more, try to make those two lines converge. That's it. This is my wave count finished. It's a messy wave count. So by admiring the chart, you see the prior went alpha, blah, 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 and then pull back to touch the moving average 200, which is the red line here. And then it went into a kind of consolidation here. Can you see that? It's going up though. It's going up like the Procter and Gamble. It was in a rising channel. You see this one was in a rising channel. But after, you see, it came near the moving like 200, couldn't touch it here. And then it just go into that channel here. And all it did is going up in that channel alone. Quite messy chart. So anytime it goes up, look what it did. This is Procter and Gamble. Sharp correction. Goes up, sharp correction. Goes up, sharp correction. Goes up, sharp correction. Look at UTS. Okay, United Technology Group. Look what it's doing. Similar scenario. Went up, look, sharp move down. Went up, sharp move down. Went up, sharp move down. The same story. We've seen it before. It's a replay. All right, it's happening all the time in the financial market. And by admiring the price, that will save you a lot of time sometimes. And quickly, I know that this is another beast that I need to deal with, and I know how to handle that. And job done. That's it, job done. Why the job is done? You may say, Joe, there are more. That's job done. Where is the first word? I don't want to know. That's job done for me. Why? That's a very good question. The reason why is that the market patterns precede everything else. Rising channel, declining channel, horizontal channel, triangle, they precede everything. So they determine the strategy that we must deploy. Once I found out that this stock went up and a sharp move down, now it's confined in a triangle, my job is finished. All I need to do now, as an Elliott analyst, is just to draw a triangle. So you may say, what can you tell your clients? All you need to tell them is say, this stock went up before, now it's confined in a triangle, is consolidating, okay, between two trend lines. This is it, and the median line is this one here. In that scenario, you will tell them, all right, that there is a possibility, anything is possible. You may break above that triangle and find a support, or you may break below it and crash out or crash out completely. Okay, some traders may say this is the ending diagonal. What is the first wave? What is the second wave? What is the third wave? What is the fourth wave? Okay, this is it. It's not very clear, so therefore, I'm not going to waste my time on it. I want to work with things that can be useful to me. So why are we using the Elliott wave? We are using the Elliott wave theory to interpret the language of the price and to forecast the market. So if the message is clear, which is clear, very clear here, why do I need to waste my time again? So somebody say, okay, first wave, okay, blah, 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 kind of correction here, second wave, third wave, and they will say fourth wave. Okay, well, fourth wave, almost retracing, coming to, okay, you call this first wave all the way here. All right, so third wave. So this is fifth wave. Maybe this is the fifth wave. But I don't want to know. Well, I don't want to know. You say, John, you have to know. No, I don't have to know. I don't want to know. Oh, John, you have to know. No, I don't want to know. That's it. Once I see that a triangle, I know what to look for. Anything is possible. Can break above, and can break below. So you may say to me, George, I'm a swing trader, I'm a day trader. What should I do now? People are selling on the edge of the top of that triangle, you see, and they are buying at the lower part of it. All right, so doesn't mean just buy, look for an opportunity to buy if there is one. If there is none, don't create it. here form a double bottom, pop out above that common straight line. Okay, look for candlestick bar. Okay, and then implement a top down trade method. Now he hit it, they saw it there, it calmed down, couldn't come up. You can look at the way they sell it on the edge. Alright, so sometimes may say first wave, alright, second wave, George, third wave, fourth wave, maybe, yes. And now this is a fifth wave. Can you see 1, 2, 3, George? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Now again, up. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright. But it's not very clear. So it's all speculation. Which one are you going with? So after I've done that, okay, I may go into the mind of other traders. But all I'm saying to you, alright, when the chart is messy, you have dealt with it before, which I'll show you now. I dealt with that scenario before. I see the same thing going on here. I know what to expect. It can be time consuming. I don't want to get into that. I want to go with, okay, the clear message that the price is communicating to me and the clear message, all right? There can be doubt about where is the first, the third, and the fifth wave, but there is no doubt that it's consolidating between, okay, the two lines. That's the most important thing to us, apart from the aesthetic of the wave count or the area wave forecast. Now we can even use that, all right, triangle, all right, to make focus, all right, how far we go by measuring, okay, you see. You see that distance here has to be on the same vertical line, and then I can just project it. You see the same, yep. And I can just project it down like this. All right. This is, or this one is a bit tricky for me to draw it. That's it. I can do that. I can divide this section again into two. This is not easy. This one is not easy. Okay. Don't ask too much question about that. It's not easy. All right. On the same vertical line. And now I'm going to uncharted territory, so I'll leave that one alone. All right. You see now? So we are definitely in a triangle. All right. Did you see the similarity between the two charts? All right, you see that this one is in the rising channel, went up, and then you go just going up, but in a channel like this, quite messy. And this is UTS, went up. All right, now it went into that triangle again there. All right, is that okay? Ending diagonal? Sometimes they may say yes. Don't bother to ask me in the comment section because it's not very clear. This one is a messy one. Okay. So this will conclude our discussion today about the Elliott wave technical analysis reveal how to handle messy Elliott wave price structure. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. All right. If you think that this is another useless mumbo jumbo, be sure to mark it down. Don't go away without doing anything. Okay, please. But if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, or Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, it is free. And we may start charging people for subscribing. You may never know, all right? So subscribe and stay put. Don't move. All right, subscribe, it is free, and click on the notification bell, because the reason why it becomes so important now to click on that notification bell is because we are premiering, all right, we are live streaming, okay, videos now. So if you do not click on that notification bell, you know when the premiere will start. What I usually do, the video, I'll set it 1 hour before the premiere will start. Is it too short for you? Let me know in the comment section. Sometimes it may be 4 hours later or 2 hours later before I start live streaming, giving YouTube enough time to send the message out. Now, If you subscribe to all our channel, all right, sometimes I'm very active. You may receive a notification, and you say, Joy, who are you to send me notification? Are you my wife? Are you my husband? Don't worry about it. These are just automatic, okay, messages. You can just look at it and say, no, I don't have time for it, and you ignore it. It's just notification. All right, you don't have to do anything. It's not annoying at all. You are in control of it. All right, that's it. So the reason why you click on it is so you know is that because a trader was telling me today during a live streaming on Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, you see, I missed the show, and I say, probably it didn't check that notification bell. That's why he didn't know the time when the live streaming is starting, or maybe he didn't have time, okay, to watch the live streaming. All right, so be sure to click on the notification bell. If you are watching this video on Facebook, our YouTube channel for Elliott Wave is 24 Elliott Waves. If you're on YouTube, our Facebook page is stochastic-market.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Elliott Wave technical analysis reveals how to handle messy Elliott Wave price structure. For those of you who are interested in trade idea trading software, check the description section. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.